What is going on, guys? Today is Wednesday morning and I wanted to show you 3 apps that you can be using if you're creative to speed up your workflow and make you stand out from everyone else on your Instagram. Let's keep it clear that none of these are sponsored, and personally I just really enjoy all these apps. So let's get right into the video. So the first one I want to talk about is Unfold. Unfold is a free app, and the thing that I really like about Unfold is it's a great way to incorporate creative styles into your story. Easily, I can just open the app and create a story. And it does come with some free bundles, but there also is an option to pay to get other custom looks for your Instagram stories. For instance, when I instantly open the app, I have a huge selection of different types of styles, creative styles. We have plastic, scrapbook, mood board, and for the small subscription that you can get with this, you can get everything that you want, or you can stick with the free version and have just enough to get you through by. And personally, I'm okay with the free version, but if you really want something more creative, pretty frequently they will be updating this app with new styles. And I do think that the money is worth if you end up getting the pro version, which has more options. But for the free version and for what I do, I think it's fine. And another great thing about this is that you have an option to put custom text on top of it. So for instance, I'm going to create like a simple one right here. And I'm going to upload a photo of choice. Let's see here. Alright, so let's just say I have a photo of choice and I want to upload it for my Instagram story. Easily I can put in some text or even change the color of the background. But for this instance, I'm just going to put some simple text, create a text box, and label the heading whatever I choose to write. So I could label this Deep Sea Dives. So once I have that and have created the look that I want, I can just save the photo, and I can either do 2 things. I can upload it straight to my Instagram or save it to my camera roll, and then from forward upload it to the desired platform. So in my scenario, I can just easily upload it to Instagram, it'll save it, and straight to your story, it's right there. So easy as that, straightforward of a concept the app is. It's straightforward, there's nothing too fancy about it, but it is very useful. And that's basically it for Unfold. So the second app I want to show you guys today is CreatorsHub. CreatorsHub is a platform that is created with a few creators, and basically what it is that through the set of creators that are available, they also have a set bundle of LUTs. What are LUTs? LUTs are basically a lookup table that creates a specific color grade for your video. And the reason why I like this a lot is because it's really hard to color grade, especially if you have no experience or don't have the time to open professional programs like DaVinci Resolve or Adobe Premiere. So CreatorsHub is a great solution to that, because instantly you can just press a button and you'll have a LUT that looks really professional and has a really nice look to it that I personally really enjoy using. For instance, when I'm making videos and I don't have time, I'll just get a simple video from my camera roll and throw on one of the LUTs that is made by one of my creators that I really enjoy. And as soon as that, I can save the video and upload it to Instagram or whatever I like. So in this, I'm just gonna show you a quick rundown on how that works. So I'm gonna open this right here, pick a video of choice. Let's see here. So I really like this video right here. This was from downtown Chicago. So like I said before, we have a couple of creators. We have Benjamin Ortega. We have all of these other creators that are really good. We have Emmett, Explorers US, whatever you like, any creator that you really enjoy. So I'm just gonna choose one and choose a filter that I really like. And I really like this one right here. It's called Corazon. It has like this blue look, and you can already tell that these are great because it's already creating a nice look that people look for in LUTs. And from there, I can do some simple fixings like a little more contrast, bring up the exposure, and make it more saturated. So easy as that, you can create a look with this app. So as soon as I'm done, I'm just gonna export it. And once it's done, it usually takes about 30 to 60 seconds, depending on how long it is. Once I'm done, I'm going to upload it to Instagram, and that's it. One thing that I have noticed that's a downside with this program would have to be the compression. I have noticed there's a bit of a compression with the video, but it's not as drastic as I would expect. So I think this is a great program. Also note to mention that in order to use additional LUTs from specific creators, you have to buy their individual packs, which comes around at $1 to $3 per creator. And I do really think this is worth the money because you will probably be using this a lot more than you will expect. So that's it for app number 2, and let's move on to the third and last one. So the last and final app, probably one of the most obvious ones, would have to be Adobe Lightroom. Adobe Lightroom is a great way to make you stand out on Instagram with unique edits, and it's easy to use and free. That's the most important thing. And though there is a version for desktop that is really useful as well, if you don't have money and don't really feel the need to spend money on it, feel free more than just to get the app and use it just for that reason. And personally too, is that when I like to post for my Instagram, I always run it through this app as well too, to make sure that everything looks well. And what's really nice about it is that it's probably one of the most useful apps that you can have for editing photos. Here I have a photo of the beach, and what's really nice is that you can make manual adjustments like adding more contrast and clarity, or you can just change the hue of stuff. Like, I find it really helpful to be able to mix colors around and have a specific look that I want to go for. And this is really useful for people who are looking for a feed and a way to make you stand out on Instagram. Like for instance, I can change the hues of blue and have a very teal look. So it's a lot of messing around, and will take more practice to get this down, but it's one of the most important things that you need to understand, and that's the ability to know how to edit photos in a professional way that can make you stand out on Instagram. So that's it for all the apps today. I know the video is pretty short. I will be creating more in-depth tutorials next time. I hope this helped you a little bit, and hopefully you've learned something from this. Thanks again, guys. Have a good day. Enjoy. Peace.